We'll guide you through how to make a comic transition in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create fun and eye-catching video edits using comic-style transitions. Many beginners using Wondershare Filmora look for simple, step-by-step guidance to apply creative effects that make their content more engaging, unique, and suitable for social media platforms. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can begin editing without any interruptions. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project, and start with a clean workspace. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your setup. Next, click Import, then select 2 videos that will be used, and click Open to add them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section so you can begin arranging them in order. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any automatic adjustments. Adjust the duration of both clips so they are the same. For example, set them to 5 seconds to keep the transition balanced. Next, adjust the size of both videos in the preview section to ensure they fit properly within the frame. After that, click the transition menu to access available effects. Click the search column, then type comic and press enter to filter the results. Find a comic style effect from the available transitions and choose one that fits your style. Click the transition to preview the effect before applying it. Then, drag and drop it between the 2 videos on the timeline to apply the transition. Go to the right panel and adjust the duration. For example, set it to 4 seconds to control how long the effect plays. Next, set the timeline to the beginning of the video. Then click the full screen icon to get a clearer view. Click the play button at the bottom left. Preview the result to see how the comic transition works. And now the comic transition in Filmora is complete.